Xenea Money Platform. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new big update that I want to show you guys about this project, Money Platform, Xenea Platform. I've showed you guys on how to join the waitlist for the NFT pre-sale. Then another important information has just been released on this platform, which I want you guys to join, and the new task has been added to the platform on the Money app, Everlyn. And here you're going to get some points on this platform. Don't forget to come over to this place and do the daily check, which we've carried out, and we've sent that in our Telegram channel. And the next one you are to do or to take part here is what we call Everlyn. So what is Everlyn? Everlyn is the fastest video AI model in the world on the first decentralized infrastructural layers for autonomous video. So as when the video is being recorded, guys, this project has about 103,300 followers on X. And here is a tag project. Thank you, Lincoln, for the recognition. It means a lot to our team to see our work noticed by one of the most respected video in AI. So you can take your time and see one or two things about this project here. And this project is in collaboration with Xenea Money Platform. So they brought in their Money Platform to Xenea Money Platform. So you're going to take part in this and enjoy one or two things in this process. In case you've not joined Xenea Money Platform, I will drop the link in the video description. It's also in our Telegram channel. Tap on that link, guys, create your account. Everything is very simple. So the first you have to do is to come back to this place, tap on this button, tap on ongoing gem campaign, either from the top or from the base. So just tap on it. It comes out like this. Then tap on mission. From mission it comes out like this. Then the first one is to tap on this senior button, then tap on this quiz. We've completed the quiz and we've dropped the answer in our Telegram channel. Go over and get the answer to that. Now let's begin. So now tap on this first one, which is Everlyn. Then you can see that total gem you've obtained so far is 0. So tap on claim this button first. Then tap on that, you get 81 gems. So now that I've gotten 81 gems, let's proceed. Go ahead and tap on start quiz. Let's tap on the start quiz. Once tap on start quiz, you have 10 question here. What is Everlyn? Answer is B, the first AI video protocol built on Web3. Tap on submit. Then we've gotten that correct. Tap on continue. The next question says, how fast does Everlyn generate cinematic quality video? It's 15 seconds. That is A. Tap on submit. You get down correct. Then let's continue. Which foundation model power Everlyn? The answer is C. That is Everlyn 1. Tap on that. Then we've gotten that one. The next question, now tap on continue and accept the next question. What unique feature does Everlyn provide to ensure traceability? Then answer is on-chain video memory. Tap on it and tap on submit. That is correct. Then let's proceed. Fifth question says, who lead the Everlyn team? Answer is B, Dr. Sanalin. So let's tap on that. Don't forget we are taking B. Then tap on this and see if we correct. That is correct. We've gotten 5 questions correct. Then we're taking us to the next question, which is 6th question. Says, which of the following projects have Everlyn research work on? And the answer is D. So it's on video, that is Google Video Poets, Meta Make Video, and Open Source. So answer is all of the above. Tap on it and submit. Then if you get this one right, take us to the next question. That is correct. Then tap on continue and access question 7. What is the approximate cost for 40 videos generated per month using Everlyn? Answer is B, that is $10 per month. So tap on submit. Then this takes us to the next question by tapping on continue button. What upcoming feature will allow branded content to auto-generate and evolve? Answer is A, that is a agentic layer. Tap on it. Let's see if we're going to get that correct. That is correct. Tap on continue. Now this takes us to question number 9. What does the dream What does the dream machine description unlock for creator? And the answer is B, unlimited video generation. Tap on it, tap on submit. The last question, which is number 10, tap continue and access it. What make Everlyn generation process stand out compared to many other AI model? It generates both video and sound in one pass. Tap on this, then tap on submit. So if you get that correct, guys, we're going to get 1000 points, which we've accessed correctly. Then tap on continue. So we got to 1000 points, then tap on get more gems. Now that I've tapped on get more gems, we are moving ahead. We're going to join the Everlyn X account to get 2000 points. Tap on it. So it comes out like this, then tap on follow button. Now tap on, if you've gotten the 2000 points, tap on great job. The next one is to join the Everlyn Discord, where you're going to get 500 points. Tap on it, then tap on accept invite. So we've accepted the Everlyn point. The invite, we've accepted the invite. So let's tap on rules and verification. You can see that rules and verification. Tap on that button, or tap on that button, you have yourself here. So get verified. Welcome to Everlyn. To gain access to all its features and channel, please verify yourself by clicking the emoji. So you have to click on this emoji from this place. Tap on this emoji, then hi everyone. So let's tap on this button, verification failed. So we've clicked on the emoji and the verification has been completed. So our account has been verified. Let's come over to this place. It says invalid account. Let's try it again. So by now our account would have been verified. Go to server. The server is not working right away, so we have to wait for the server. When the server starts working, then our points will be added. So now we've gotten our points that have been added successfully. Now great job. Tap on great job. So in total we've been able to get 4581 points or 581 gems. So let's continue to this gems. Tap on this one, tap on check and get some points here. Then tap on the next one, which is syntax. Tap on check and click on great job. Then tap on the next one, which is next. Tap on it as well and get great job. So keep mining on this platform on daily basis and just do what you know how to do the best and accumulate your points on this platform. The next one here, that is extras. Tap on it and get your points. Then heart 3, tap on it as well and get your point. Don't forget to tap on this support protocol. Tap on it and do what? Accumulate your points. So you've gotten all these points successfully, and the answer to this quiz is going to be available on our Telegram channel. So that's all, guys. If you just want to explain this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. See you soon, guys, on our next video.